What a filthy job.
Could be worse.
How?
Could be raining.
Hey, just something I need to let you know. Another great place I do. Oh, it's the next town over where I get to do a little bit of work now. Apparently nobody wanted to come here. I came here, I gave them a bid. They accepted my bid. They called me up right away, and I was kind of wondering, was I too cheap or what? The lady's very friendly and told me that nobody wanted to come here, and they did not. For the stumps, they wanted to also do the tree work. Well, this place does their own tree work as far as dropping the trees and hauling them away, and they have nobody to do the stumps, so I automatically got it. It was like no-brainer. But I'm going to show you where I'm at, and you'll realize why no one wanted to come here. Now, a lot of you guys that might see this come to places like this all the time. Some people don't want to come here. Last week was, Halloween, and I could have came here then. My son looked at me like, really, Dad? So the weather's more conducive today. Winter's coming. But I'll turn this around and show you. Here's where we're at. I told you nobody wanted to come here. Main thing is, the two, I told them we'd be very respectful of the area and try to drive over the minimal grave sites and stuff. But, they mow over them anyway. But another thing, they asked me how good I was at getting close to gravestones. I said we're really good. And any of them, like I'll show you one here. Come with me. Don't be afraid to ask, okay? Some people are like, oh, they won't do it. So this tree, look at it, it's in between them, and they want it ground well, and it's already lifting this one up. I said, can you move the stones? They said, yeah, all we need is a day notice. So today's Monday, we're gonna grind 2 or 3 here, and then they'll come in. They got a funeral tomorrow. They said Wednesday morning they'll move them. Then we'll grind them and they'll place them back. So don't be afraid to ask stuff. A lot of guys like, well, it's extra work or whatever. There he is. I feel like I'm at a golf course again. All right. So I'll let you know how this project goes. We'll do a few more. We're only doing 2 or 3. Talk to you soon. We're back. This is the one that they removed the stones for us. We're almost done. We'll grind this, and then we got 2 or 3 more left at this place further that way. Good day. Here you go. Another place to look for work. Whether you're a tree company or a stump grinder. If you're a tree company, offer the full service. Make sure to drop your cards off. Find out who's running the cemetery. These were office people that called me. Apparently they called like 5 other companies. Nobody wanted to do it unless they got the whole tree and the stump grinding. Well, this cemetery does their own tree work. They didn't have a stump grinder. They called me. A few days later I get a call to come do it, and I'm like, okay, that was fast. And I shot it high. It took us total of, I'll be quite honest with you, we were there probably an hour. Can't tell you how much I made, but it was very, very profitable. They were cypress trees and cedar trees. So this is just another place for you to go to get work. Think outside the box. Remember, winter's coming, so you gotta push your business more. Some of you guys shut down for winter. I don't. I only shut down when the weather's very, very bad or there's snow on the ground. I won't grind. So this is just another avenue for you to look at, and I want you guys to continue on. So like I say, if you're a tree company, look at this also. Plus, remember, when you're on those grounds, you have to be respectful of the property. Not just because of cemetery people. While we were there, there's people driving around visiting graves. So they're watching you. They want to see how you act around it, you know. So don't drive over any gravestones. Use the paths in between. Use the crossroads they have. Just, you know, look at it like if it was your family there. How would you want the grounds treated? And don't leave a mess. Now, you see all the chips there? We didn't have to even rake them or touch them. They've got the equipment. They come there. They take away the chips with their tractors and they sod it. Have a good one, guys.